Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to merge two table in Outlook vertically. So let's started. At first open your document. Firstly, merge two table is select your the middle table option and going to the table border option and click for the no border option. That is okay. So again that select the table column and going to the table border option and click for the no border option. That is okay. Merge to table Outlook vertically. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.